In my next video, I'll show you how to make here is our malunggay, our lemon sito, and this is our oregano. So we have to wash it well. We need to wash it properly.
Yes, kiss me.
Okay, try. This is the oregano. But okay, do it last far. Okay. Do it slowly. Okay. You should do it slowly. You see, I should really like to do it.
I like to do it.
Let's put the malunggay. Okay. Do it properly, okay?
I'm trying to do my best. So,
Okay na? Okay, see? Let me do it.
my turn.
Okay. We need to cut the lemons.
Yes, and you gotta squeeze it and I'm chewing. That's the extra help.
Thank you for helping making me your medicine. Move it. Okay, you have to squeeze.
Squeeze.
Squeeze first. Squeeze.
Squeeze. Squeeze.
Okay.
Oh,
Now you
gonna try? My turn.
continue doing it.
Carabo.
So it's starting now.
Yeah, it's starting to melt. You gotta squish the seed.
Starting to make a juice.
Yeah, it's starting to make juice. Mama, do the next part. I gotta squeeze some more lemon.
That's enough na.
Get the lemon. Oh, it's starting to juice.
Do it more. Ito. Give it a more. Let me finalize it.
Alright.
And we get a little bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And dump it. Yeah.
Yeah, this is like that. We have to strain.
Yeah, we got strain. But some of the pieces is inside.
Oh, it's okay. Now it's strain.
Alright. Can I be the one doing that holding it and shaking? Squeeze.
Let me just squeeze.
Oh yeah, the crab.
Now we get the juice. Look at this is the juice now.
Yeah.
And we have to put.
The honey.
Okay, let me open the honey.
Can we pour the honey?
No. Give me.
Can we pour the honey in the spoon?
No, only me.
The honey. Wow, the delicious honey.
No.
It's almost ready.
And so we have to taste it.
We do. Wait.
It's your turn to drink it. Drink it. How does it taste? Thank you for watching.